Good morning, guys. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about does manifestation work? So, on this topic, I want to share my personal experience, and you tell me in a comment what is your experience. My experience starts as I am remember how did I learn driving a car. I didn't have car in my family, so I al- I always used to passionate about drive a car. Wherever I go and see people driving the car, I just started feeling, oh, that if I had a car, I would have been driving that. And gradually, this feeling grown up. So it was, I think, 12 or 15 years ago. There was a boy who belongs to my neighbor village who had a car. So I requested him, so I will invest the fuel consumption of the car and kindly teach me how to drive the car. And if you train me, I will give you money for the sake of fees, uh, Guru Dakshina. So first day he, he told me, whenever you want, bhaiya, I am ready to uh, get you uh, get you learn this skill. So one fine day I just uh, filled his car full tank, and we went uh, in a ground field where hardly 5 minutes uh, I got to drive the car, but simply he made me sit on the steering, and uh, he he told me, you don't have to do anything, not just accelerate the car or use anything uh, except uh, first gear you have to make and uh, hold the steering and drive this. After that, I got to use that hardly 5 minutes or 10 minutes. After that, we will decide, we will continue it later on. But after that, he didn't uh, want to come, so I just left him. And so it was my experience. And after this incident, I kept thinking about um, driving the car, and uh, it uh, it it wrapped my all desires, all thinking. I uh, used to think nothing else about driving a car. So there my manifestation starts. I just used to keep thinking about uh, I have to learn. I am driving the car while I am doing nothing, sitting anywhere. I started thinking like this. So this way my manifestation starts, and after that my younger brother who bought a car and I just requested to him, so let me also learn this driving skill. So he just rented his car, and he parked car in a field. I just request him, so you just go back home, and I will drive my I will drive this car my own on my own. So, and since my home was adjacent to the ground field, so he went to home. He went home, and I just started driving the car. And honestly, it was the first time I sat there and started driving the car, and there was no one. I was completely driving the car very smoothly in ground. So it was also strange for me how did it possible, because I didn't drive car back before. So from peeping the window of my home, my brother seeing that I am able to drive the car in ground field, an isolated field where people were not there. So he called me on my phone, and he said to me, "Bhaiya, you are able to drive the car in ground, so why not you drive the car on road?" So then I said to him, "So brother, actually I want to drive on the road, but I have fear. So are you go with me? Are you go with me?" So he said, "Yes, of course. So let's do it now." So he came to the ground, and still I was the driving seat, and we went to the road, and it was mid of the day, and it was so crowded over there in the market, and my brother encourages me, no matter, you don't have to panic, you have to be calm, posed, and drive. So don't take you should not take bother about the crowd should have bother about it. So you just do your driving. So the first day we went to the know, about um, approx I think 5 or 8 kilometers away direction to south, and there we took U-turn, and from there we drive to the destination north side on National Highway Road. Uh, it was approx 25 kilometers. So it was my first experience when in first day when I drove a car. So after that, so many times I just used to take my brother car, and in the morning time, in the evening time, and used to drive that car. And my brother was since uh, uh, doing his job distance from approx 3 and 50 kilometers away from my hometown. So one fine day he came and he asked me whether you are coming with me in the his working station. So I told him only on one condition. So he asked, so I will drive the car from my hometown to your destination, and between this you don't have to take it from my me to drive. So he agreed, and I just uh, I just drive the approx 350 kilometers away from my hometown to my brother works station. So it was my also learning journey about car driving. So here I wanted to talk about, likewise, all the time keep thinking about driving car. My manifestation works. So, and I realize one thing also here: whenever you deeply indulge in any work, that work uh, can happen very easily, effortlessly. So it was my experience about my car driving. So same here, if you really want to do anything, achieve anything in your life, just you have to stay with it with consistency. Manifestation will work, but only keep thinking and in imagination doesn't work. You have to put your some your own practice there, and you have to be consistent about your learning and your achieving the things. So you have to work. So both are necessary for anything to work, manifestation. And here since I have been this video has been so long, so I have to wind up this. It has been 14 minutes and I have to wind up it. So I thank you for keep watching this video so patiently. So this video is for my channel Anglify with Aman. So here I am taking your leave. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.